we're in June. Yeah, now June we did. And as I know say we did June, now World Cup we did. So we're actually counting days to World Cup. 3 days to three? No, today is Tuesday. We are counting 2 days to World Cup. Yeah, so make I come down. Make we talk this thing as man to man. You know, say this World Cup now for USA. And our time zone and their time zone no they align. It dey different. Wow. Listen. Most of the times, the games where they go play, for our own side, it will be for midnight. That is 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., possibly 4 and 5 a.m. if possible, based on their calendar or FIFA. Now we dey Africa, which means the game where they go dey play for that place that time na our sleeping time. You don see as Nigeria take be now. How you wan take go outside go watch ball? For you wey dey go view center go watch ball, wetin be your plans? I fit remember that time wey be say I bin dey small, e get one particular World Cup wey Nigeria and Argentina play. Na so my papa wan sneak out wey wan go watch ball around 4 a.m. As person wey be Messi fan and lover of football, na so I keep stick to time. As my papa stand up say make e sneak out, na so I follow am. But you don see the situation of the country right now: insecurity, banditry, uncertainty, lack of peace, and all that. So my brother, how you wan take go out? You wey dey like go view center go watch ball. So now I wan bring one update for people wey no know am. When they mean update, some people fit know the update, some people fit no know am. E no dey new, no be something wey dey new. Na something me and you dey familiar with, right? Sure. So I get this app wey I dey use watch ball. Mind you, this is not a promotion video or or engagement video or anything. I'm just making it out of reach for you. So you can get this app wey they call. It is to get your mobile phone, get your phone, download Nova Soccer Hub. That's all. You don't need to sign up for anything. You don't need a third party. You don't need a referral code. You don't need optional validation. You don't need any validation. You don't need to do any capturing or anything. Just two basic things you actually need: your phone, which is your mobile phone, your gadgets, your streaming gadget, any type of gadget you have that have access to the internet. Then go to your Play Store for those under Android. For those under iPhone, you go to your Apple Store. For those other devices, you use your browsers and whatever thing you use on your device. Just download Nova Soccer Hub. Nova Soccer Hub. If you don't get to see this particular logo, do not download. That is not what I'm talking about. All I'm talking about is what you are seeing up here, Nova Soccer Hub. I've been using this app for a very